So here the unboxing of my ultra cheap drone project. That's how it came. I already opened the package obviously, so here we have the props. The props are probably 5" in diameter. Yeah, it's 5045 props, CV and CCV. We have 4 of them, of each color. Then we have here the drone itself, the package of the drone, the ready to sky drone. Let's open it up and see what is in. So we have a nice plan in here, how to build everything. So I think they're not that specific on the electronics because they're shipping it with different setups, but that's fine. Here we have a battery strap, quite wide one, but looks really nice. No rubber insert, but that's fine too. Here a LED. Here LED panels for the arms, 4 of them. Here we have probably the flight controller. With a condensator, that's a nice touch. XT60 connector of for the ESC to the flight controller. The flight controller is a Omnibus F4 controller, probably. Let's open this up to get a knife or something like this to open it. It's a little bit oversized, but okay, let's take this here. So there we go. There we have the flight controller. It's a original F405 ARM chip processor. No other writing on here. And here's obviously the SD micro card slot. Here we have the ESC. It's again separately packaged. It is a 4-in-1 ESC, MAK4. I think it's 50 amps. Should be 50 amps ESC. Yeah, let's see how it holds up. But on the first look it looks really nice. Nothing special here. Then we have some screws for mounting. Plastic screws and standoffs. Looks fine for me. It's Phillips screws, which is a little bit strange. I'm not used to that, but that's fine too. Here's the XT60 connector wires. Red one, the black one, I put it again in the package. The connector of flight controller and the ESC, 4-in-1 ESC. Let's plug it in. Yeah, that's fine. So nothing special here. There we have the motors. Everything again runs together. When I'm building it, it's everything in place. So here we have the motors, four of them. It's ready to sky 2205, 2300 kV. Counterclockwise and clockwise threaded. I'm not used to this anymore, but why not? Here we have, as a nice touch, foam landing strips and again some mounting hardware, as well as here. These are then again hex screws, that's fine. Golden hex screws, which is also very nice. Mounting screws for the stack. Standoffs in silver color. Aluminium, it's very light. Again, golden screws. Nice touch here. And then we have a very thin but grippy tissue tape for mounting on top to hold the battery better in place. And here are the arms. Let's open this up. So it's theoretically an Apex frame, so quite thick arms here. Not sure if I have the caliper somewhere here. Yeah, okay, anyway. So they say it's 5 millimeters, it's look like that's correct. We have 4 of them. And then the top and the bottom plate and some smaller parts, all carbon fiber, no TPU prints here. So it will be a complete carbon fiber build. I'll do it just like it's sent in the box. Don't change anything else. What is obviously missing is the VTX and the transmitter itself. I ordered these separately, or had them already in my parts bin, but I will give you links to all the parts where you can order them. So I'm really curious how this will work. So no soft mounting for the camera, but I did not expect this at such a price point.